Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and update your payment information and payout methods for your Gumroad membership. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it open up, go there and log into your account. So if you have not already created an account, you can just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, now we can get started. So what we want to do is go and take a look at this Help Center article right here on the official Help Center Gumroad on how to go ahead and get started with memberships. Here you have everything you need: what are memberships, how to buy a membership, and so on. But what we are looking for is this section right here on updating your payment information. So if you want to be billed to a different credit card than PayPal, you're going to click to use a different card on the Manage Membership page to update your payment details. And to find this Manage Membership page, you're going to follow the steps right here. You're going to navigate to the Membership tab on your creator's profile page and choose a tier and your billing frequency. Currently, I do not have memberships directly implemented into my store, so I cannot show you this directly, but you can follow the steps right here on how to access your membership and how to update your payment information. If you need any more help, you can find this article right here on the official Help Center right here at the left side of the screen and learn everything you need regarding your memberships, how to update them, and the payment methods, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.